You can't trim your own bangs. I can fix that. Put on a t-shirt you don't care about, and then find the top of your head where you want your bangs to start. Now you're going to section your hair in an upside down V. So you're gathering all the hair that you want to turn into bangs. Make sure you don't grab too much because it might look weird. And if you grab too less, then it's just going to look too wispy. So this is how you want it to look. Or at least this is how I want it to look. You're going to twist it like so. And then you're going to trim straight across. Choose what length you want, but I chose to cut it right at my eyebrows. Now we're going to clean up what this looks like, because do you see how it's a little uneven? Let's fix that. So I'm going to take a section from the middle and I'm going to cut straight across because I want that to be a little shorter. Now to get the swoop effect, you're going to grab your hair like so on one side and then drag it to the opposite side and cut down on a diagonal. So you're connecting the top of the bang to the bottom of the bang on one side. My eyes were struggling. Do you see how stressed they are? Do the same on this side. Here I'm just cleaning up. So do you see some sections that are a little bit longer? I just want to get rid of those. I love experimenting on my hair, and I cut my hair at home 90% of the time. So this is just a quick way for me to revamp my bangs without having to make an appointment. But again, if you don't want to do this, I'm not going to force you to do this, boo-boo. Next, we're going to point cut up. This is just going to make it a little bit more textured. There was so much hair on my face. Do you see those eye bags popping? I was stressed. My eyes were like, what are you making me do? Like, I can't look like that. You can stop here and clean up any long pieces, but I wanted some choppy bangs, so I'm going to twist like so, and then bring it up. And then I'm going to cut maybe 1/4 of an inch straight across from that. And it's going to give me very choppy bangs. I just wanted to see what it would look like, and I'm kind of digging it. I hope this video helped, and have fun cutting your own bangs. Love you.